Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how you can be Cubic Zirconia, much beloved and victimized bar, restaurant, and strip club owner. So, obviously I'm a woman, so I need to put on a baseball or a cowboy hat or any silly hat you have. Actually, you could use. And I don't have a beard either, but there's plenty of things I can do to fix that. So there's these washable markers. You could grab one of these, start drawing on some stubble. This one's purple, but you could do any color you wanted. There's also face makeup left over from Halloween, if it's not all, actually 2 Halloweens ago, huh? If it's not all dried up, put a little of that on. Oh yeah, that's good. Awesome. And then there's the old stage way. You have to get a bottle of wine. Come on, you have a bottle of wine somewhere. Helps if you have a couple glasses first too. And then just whoop, burn it a little bit. If I can make that work. There we go. We're just going to burn our cork. Let it get a little black. Wait till it's cooled off though. You don't want to burn your face. And then just draw some nasty stubble like from several days bar growth. There you go. And take off my pretty glasses. Then just put on some cool glasses. Start getting in the mood. Yep. I am Cubic Zirconia. And so are you.